Forget 20 habits. Forget 4 a.m. alarms. Transformation isn't complicated, it's consistent. People fail because they chase complexity instead of systems they can actually follow. These 8 daily rules rebuilt thousands of lives. Here they are. 1. Give yourself 30 minutes in the morning. Not to wake up early, but to wake up for yourself. Before the world steals your attention, own your mind. My entire life changed when I stopped checking my phone first. 2. Move your body with purpose. Lift, run, stretch, anything. Motion kills hesitation. Start small. Momentum will finish the job for you. 3. Plan with intention. Write your thoughts down. Choose 3 priorities, not 15. The day I focused only on 3 meaningful tasks, my productivity doubled and my stress collapsed. 4. Fuel your potential. Eat like someone who respects their future. Whole foods, protein, water. When I stopped treating my body like a dumping ground, my afternoon crash disappeared forever. 5. Feed your mind. 5 pages. That's it. Books or podcasts that challenge your thinking. The strongest people aren't just fit, they're mentally sharp. 6. Go outside. 5 minutes of sunlight, fresh air. Your nervous system resets instantly. Whenever anxiety piled up, stepping outside grounded me in seconds. 7. Do something difficult on purpose. Cold shower, tough conversation, heavy workout. Choosing discomfort builds the resilience that average people never touch. 8. Reflect daily. Ask yourself, where did I win? Where did I fall short? What's one thing I'll improve tomorrow? This keeps you evolving instead of repeating the same year over and over. No ops, no perfection, no excuses. Just 8 simple practices that rebuild you from the inside out. If you show up daily, start today, not tomorrow, not when you feel ready. Now.